Hello, hello, hello. It is Stephanie Deeds, your favorite realtor with the Deeds Group at RE/MAX, and I am here highlighting our newest listing and giving you a little video tour of the month. So we are at 3703 Pelican Court in Arlington. I don't know if I could find you a better location for where we are. We are like a stone's throw from Lake Arlington, so it is a fantastic location for recreation. Also in a good school district with, Martin High School is highly desired by a lot of people, so it is zoned to Martin High School. And look, if you just kind of look around me at this cul-de-sac, it is heavily treed. It's an established neighborhood. It's very quiet. All of the yards here are so well kept. I mean, this is one of those streets that like you drive through and people are like, oh, I would live on this street, right? So if you want to live on this street, or even if you don't, but you know someone who might, or you just want to see what it looks like, why don't you come inside with me and let's go check it out. Okay, so we're gonna go inside, but before we do, I wanna make sure you know, we have about 2450 square feet here. It's a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath. I've got a master and a second bedroom downstairs, and of course 2 bedrooms and a bathroom upstairs. Nice size living space, and you're just gonna love it. Come on. So nice entry into, this is, by the way, my favorite room in the house. Oh my gosh. So, and even my seller told me she sits in here every morning. I would sit in here every day. Such a beautiful room, so much natural light coming in. We don't even have any lights on in here, and it's just a gorgeous room. I love this fireplace. I love the paneling. Look at the ceiling even. Oh, that coffered ceiling is gorgeous. So let's come on in here to the dining room. And the dining room, love this light fixture, by the way, super fun. Plenty of space for holidays, or, I don't know, put a pool table in here for all I care, but it's a great space. Great space, lots of archways and just really neat architectural details in this home. So as we come into the kitchen, again, all this natural light. So if you can see behind me through the windows, I'm gonna tell you my favorite part of this house is the backyard. Oh my gosh, wait till we get out there. It is absolutely gorgeous. So kitchen, plenty of counter space, plenty of cabinet space, a place to have breakfast. And again with the beams in the ceiling, the architectural details in this house are just fantastic. So let's take a little trip outside. We're gonna come back into this family room space where this door is. Woo! So here is a sunroom. This is a really cool room. You've got doors that open to go outside. You have an entry to the master from this space. So sunroom is a nice, cool place to sit. All right, come on out. This is my favorite part of this house. So this yard, here's what I love about this yard. It is totally move-in ready. You do not have to add anything to this backyard to have a beautifully landscaped and livable backyard. You can have friends over here and feel like you are proud of what you have. But what's so perfect about it is even though it's just fine and perfect the way it is, there is still so much more potential here. If you have children that want a play set, or grandchildren, or whoever that wants a play set, you can put a play set back here. If you want to build a pool, you can put a pool back here. If you want to it doesn't matter who you're trying to please, you can put anything you want in this backyard. It's so big, even with the retaining wall. It just, this vegetation, it is just a beautiful, beautiful yard. So this is my favorite part. I hope it's your favorite too. But let's go check out the rest of the house because there is so much to see. So as we come back inside, here we are in the family room space. I love this space because it is kind of open to the rest of the house, right? So you've got you've got a great entertaining flow here. You know, your formal room and your dining room and your kitchen all kind of circulates right back to this central place in the house. So love this. When we come back here, I'm not going to bore you with like laundry rooms and garages and whatnot, but we're going to peek back here at the master. I keep saying my favorite thing about this house. I really love this house. It's in such a cool part of Arlington near the lake and the floor plan. I love this era of house. This was built in the 80s, and so you have a lot of those architectural details. So again, another great thing, one of my favorite things about this house is the room sizes. So, you know, typically we get a big master in most properties, but all of the rooms in this house are a good size. So here's your master. Again, you've got a door out to the exterior, which is great. In this bathroom, although a lot of the fixtures are original, it has such good space. I mean, you've got a dual sinks with a vanity, giant bathtub, nice big shower. And storage everywhere. That's what I love about this era of house, is you get lots of architectural detail, big rooms, and lots of storage. So much to love here. So as we come out of the master, there is one more bedroom downstairs and a full bathroom. Okay, so you can use this for a guest, you can use it for a kid, you can use it for whoever, obviously, or you can just use it as an office because it's right here next to the master. So you've got a full bathroom right here, which is great. And then we come into this fantastic bedroom. This, again, with the architectural details, you've got kind of a little nook right here where you could put a desk, or you could put a sitting area, a library. There's like 1,000 things you could put in that little space. But so good size closet, good size room. And I haven't even pointed out yet the original wood floors that are here from when the house was built. Beautiful floors. And, again, the wainscoting, the ceiling, the skylights, the beaming. I mean, there's just a ton of details here that are so fantastic. So if you are a coffee drinker, a wine drinker, a who knows what drinker, or you just want a sink in your living room, this little wet bar is so cute. This would make a great Keurig little coffee bar, or obviously you could do anything with it, but I love this. I mean, look, you can serve both sides. Both sides. Love it. Cool wet bar area. So as we go upstairs, let's go check out what we find. I think there's probably a couple more bedrooms up here, so let's check it out. So upstairs we've got this great kind of like catwalk area. Again, just a really cool architectural detail. You don't see a lot of this anymore. So what we have here is we have a bedroom here, and there's a bedroom around this hallway, and there's a bathroom on the back side of it. So it's kind of a Jack and Jill sort of shared restroom. Again, with the room sizes, just a really, really good size room. Another nice little nook where you could do a desk or a chair, sitting area, library, games, who knows, you can there's so much space here that you could just do so many different things with it. So this door leads into the bathroom, of course, and this bathroom is then shared by this bedroom here. So, I mean, again, nice big space, lots of storage, and again with the nook. I think maybe somebody should watch this video and count the number of times I've said nook. Just kidding. Okay, so let me just go through, more storage, lots of storage. Let me just go through my highlights one more time, okay? I am at 3703 Pelican Court. I am in a fantastic, wonderful, established, very desirable neighborhood in Southwest Arlington, very close to the lake. We are in a desirable school district. We have fantastic floor plan, 2,500 square feet almost, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, I misspoke, and just so much to love here. Architectural details, just really cool, unique things about this home that make it so very Arlington. I don't know, I think there's just, those of us who've lived here for a long time, there are certain areas that just feel like Arlington, and this is one of those. So anyway, if you have questions about this property, please don't hesitate to reach out, let us know. We would love to show it to you in person, and even more so, we'd love to sell it to you. So give us a call, we'll talk to you soon. Keep following us on social media, like, comment, love us everywhere. We would love it back. Thank you so much.